Hey peeps, as you can see, I'm in a bluebell bush. Look. Oh my god, so pretty. Anyway, yeah, I'm having a shooting competition. Not a shooting competition, but a photo shooting competition with my family, and they're over there watching me. And like, it was a competition of who can take the best picture of some bluebells, and we were all like snapping pictures and stuff. Anyway, I thought I'd vlog here because it's really pretty. Look. They're like all around me. Might go over there in a minute. Anyway, so I hope your day is going well, and you're all well, and I need to watch where I'm going, in case of like bees or anything. Yeah, I'll show you some of the pictures that I took. There, and you can rate me on them down below in the comment section and stuff, and watch me get killed by a load of bluebells today. Yeah. There's so many butterflies, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go over there now. Wish me luck that I don't die. Feel something crawling up my leg right now. Nope. Okay. I hope you're all having a nice morning or afternoon or evening, wherever you are. And I'll speak to you in a bit. Okay, bye. Hey, I'm standing on a log and I'm trying to keep my balance right now. Yeah. There's cars coming. Oh no. Yeah, so basically this is where I live. I live in like a deserted area in like the middle of nowhere in the countryside. So yeah. So just coming out and having some fun. I don't know if I should be walking down here. It did say human footpath. But I am not quite sure. And I've lost the people that I was taking pictures with. So I'm all on my own. Oh my god, look. There's some bluebells on their own. There we go. Oh my god, I just realised I was probably really zoomed in this whole time. I'm so sorry. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna go any further down there because I don't know what's down there and it looks quite creepy. Yeah. So this is my surrounding area. I can't even see my car. La 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 la. Look. Ain't it pretty? Where's the sun? There's the sun, just there. Just there. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna pull a prank on my mum if I find her. If not, then I'm just gonna get in the car and go home. No, I'm really joking. I'm not gonna go home. I wouldn't leave her here alone. With her BF. Yeah, anyway. Oh look, now I can show you my car. Hang on, let me just step back on to the log. Nope, can't do it. Hang on, can I? Stepped over it. Look, there's my car. Just there. And there's a car behind it. Look, it said public footpath, not human footpath. How stupid was that? Look, all the is just in there taking a load of pictures. Yeah, anyway, I'm just going to check this video to see how video. And then I will go and talk to the people over there in that house. No, I'm really joking, there's car coming up. They look at me really weirdly. It's not like vlogging isn't normal these days, because it is. Anyway, I'm just gonna go for a walk, then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Hello, it's me again. Am I even recording? I'm recording. Anyway, so I'm still in the bush, as you can see. Well, I'm not in the bush, I'm in the woods. Yeah, took some really awesome pictures. And two behind me, I don't know if you can see them. Those two, got their cameras out too. Yeah, what else? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna go home now and upload some pictures, and then I'll show you some of the pictures that I took. Some weren't in focus because the camera was like, oh, I don't want to be in focus, and all of this. But anyway, I'm back to where I was before. Ta-da! Look, there's the gate. There's the gate I was standing at. And over here is the thing. The thing, I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so there's the bush of bluebells that I was at. There's the log that I'm going to step over again. Right. On. Up. And over. There we go. Back to the car. Okay. That was a really, really nice walk. Oh god, that was a really nice walk. I enjoyed it, taking pictures and stuff. Yeah, like I said, I'll show you some at the end of the vlog tonight. And there's a car chasing me right now. So, yeah. I'll talk to you later. Bye! Mum, where are we going?
Well, I'm not really sure. I tell you what we'll do, we'll go to Chartwell.
Pardon?
We'll go to Chartwell.
Look at the camera.
Oh, I think we might go to Chartwell.
we're in Chartwell. Yeah, it's for everyone who doesn't live in England, or who doesn't live around like Lingfield and all that in England. This Chartwell is where Winston Churchill used to live, with his wife. And yeah, there's like gardens and everything around here, and lots and lots of people have turned up, and I'm just waiting for my mum. Come out the toilet. Yeah, it's really, really nice day today. Like, lots of people have turned out for Chartwell. You have to pay for the house and the garden, obviously. But apart from that, it's really, really nice. So I'll update you a bit later. Okay, bye. I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here, I think, because I'm tired and I wanna get some schoolwork done and stuff. Yeah, anyway, I hope you've all had a good day, or good morning, if you're good morning. I've had a good day, and something I've learned today is that you shouldn't take people for granted, even if you feel like you know everything, and you think that you don't want to know anything from like certain person because you're taking them for granted. But yeah, never take anyone for granted because they'll jump back at you. If you're in need, don't take it out on anyone else because that's your need. And it's not their fault, it's your fault that you're in that particular need, not anyone else's. Anyway, so yeah, hope you enjoyed coming along with me today. Thumbs up the video if you want. Leave a comment rating my pictures that I did. Okay, have a nice evening, or morning, afternoon, whatever you are in the world. Okay, peace.